Hi guys, we're in my kitchen slash dining area, and I'm making this video for my friend Ed from Ed's World, my wonderful friend from Australia. Love you, Ed. Recently, I made a video starring this kitty. Yes, and I asked people to leave comments and give my kitty a name. Well, nobody did, except for my friend Ed. And she suggested that I name the cat Rory, which is cute. But by the time I got around to reading the comment, I already decided to name my cat Dorothy, after my grandma. The month of November would have been her birthday, yes. She passed away at the age of 96, yes. And I miss her a lot. So in honor of her birthday, today I was watching The Good Witch. Yes. On the Hallmark movie, The Good Witch, with Catherine Bell. Those are some good movies. Check them out. I'm going to be watching them all month and posting them on my social media because, to honor my grandma. So yay! This is Dorothy. Yep. Yay! Yay, Dorothy! Okay. And Dorothy has a sidekick. Yes. Yep. A little dachshund. And in honor of my grandpa, who passed away last month in October, a couple years ago. His birthday was in October, hers was in November. This is my dachshund, Rod. So I got Rod and Dorothy. Okay. Now, you're wondering, why am I bringing this up? Because my friend Ed, who I love so much, she's a wonderful person, said, I should name my cat Rory. So, I made a comment and said, maybe I'll get another sidekick. And have 3 sidekicks and name this kitty Rory. So, enter, drumroll. Well, it's better when you do 2, but dun dun dun, Rory. Yes. Yes. This is the original Toy Pet Carries Fancy Pal. And let's see what it says about the Fancy Pal. Okay. It's a gift you can get something. It's eco-friendly. Okay. I got this on Amazon. Yay. And look, it comes within a cute little bow. She's got a cute little crown. So she's a queen or a princess, whichever you want her to be. Yay. I just think this kitty is cute. Yes. And the kitty has the cute little blue eyes. You got cute little blue eyes, look. Alright, let's take the kitty out of the carrier. I'm gonna well, it's gonna be like chunk. Okay. Maybe it's not meant to come undone. No, I think it is. Alrighty. Oh, aren't you just darling? Look at the kitty. The kitty is just so cute. This is Rory. Say hello to the people. Rory is so cute. Just look at this. Aren't you just the cutest? And it's so soft. Oh, It's just the softest little kitty in the world. Sorry, Dorothy. Don't want to make Dorothy jealous. Just a cute little, I just love you. Just look at the kitty. Just look at the kitty. Just look at the kitty. Let's see if the thing comes with anything. Nope. Just a little carrier. And the little kitty. And I paid $12.99, something like that. But just look how soft. Soft kitty, pretty kitty. Look how cute. It says Aurora on the back. I don't know if that's the company. I think the company is Fancy Pal. But let me see. Oh, okay. Aurora World Inc. Pico Riviera, California. Okay. Yes. The kitty is so cute. Look at the kitty. Look at the kitty. Okay. So, that's just from my friend Ed. Thank you, Ed. Gave my kitty a really cool name, Rory. There's 2 reasons I like that name. 1, because my friend Ed suggested it. And 2, if you know anything, Doctor Who. Amy and Rory. Yes. Oh. It's so cute. Mwah. Alrighty, guys. Thank you for watching. Oh, I hope you like my background. Oh, and I forgot to. And thank you, Mountain Dew. They don't sponsor me, but, you know, I drink their sodas every time I make a video. I usually have a bottle of Sam's water, but I'm out. So, yeah. I got this other bottle of water that I don't like. I'm not going to name the brand because, you know, I'm not like that. But it's not very good water. But anyways, I just love my kitty. So, I want to thank you, Ed, for giving my kitty a name. And I love you, Ed. You're the best. Mwah. So, anyways, love you. Love you guys. Thank you for watching, liking, following, commenting, and all that good stuff. I appreciate you all. I love you all so much. And every time I see new subscribers, it makes me want to make more videos. You know, I try and make but, so, I try and do a video every day or every other day, so, but I love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye for now.